But I will tell you right now, going to get my MBA was a horrible decision at that point in time. So I'll be the first one to admit it wasn't a great move.
Why do you think,
tell everyone,
in retrospect?
Yeah. So the reason I say it is that business school, in my experience, is essentially a vocational program. It's 2 years, but if you think about it, from your first class in the fall to your last class in the spring, it's only 18 months. And on top of that, say you want to get into investment banking, the recruiting window starts like the first December you're there, because they have to get the internships, and then that pretty much sets you off. So that's really like a 2 or 3 month window. And so the way I would describe it to anyone is that, look, if you go to a top business school and say what you want about Cornell, I still think it's a pretty good program.
Mm-hmm.
But and you know what you want to do going in, I would say 99, maybe not 99, but 90% of the time you'll achieve it to some level of success, right? If you go in and you say, I want to work in investment banking, maybe you won't come out and wind up at Lazard or Goldman, but you'll get an investment banking job. If you say, I want to start a business, or I want to do marketing, or this and that. The problem I had was exactly the same issue I had, and why I wound up there was I had no idea what I wanted to do, because I had no idea what any of those things were.